Welcome back to 876 Jamaican Topic. This is Shan. Now, after the death of Andre Stevens' mother, he releases a voice note exposing how the relationship was between his mother and her husband. She also exposes secrets she had for him. Andre took to his social media and directed a message towards the star. But before we jump into this video, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do remember to leave a comment below. Let us know your views. Now, the star previously posted the story about Andre Stevens' mother stating Moystons were happy before murder-suicide, and Andre reposted and state to the star, may I ask you to take down this story? This is total deception and the people who know the truth are hurting. Please, star, I asking you to take it down. One person commented on Andre post stating, this makes no sense. If they were happy, then why would the murder-suicide happen? Here's a recording of the voice note. Do remember to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below and let us know what you think about this topic. See you in the next video.
Jamaica don't know why I'm kill you. Jamaica don't know why I'm kill you, but me know why I'm doing it. It was not just for the divorce. It was never for the divorce. He was a scammer and a fraudster. He was a hustler and a juggler. And he take people money and flip it and flop it and exploit the money them, and when him can't fulfill it, him expect you to bail him out. How much time you bail him out? How much time you bail out the wicked boy? How much time you bail out the little? And because you said to him not one more time, Mommy, me I hold everything, you know. Me I hold everything. Me I hold it. Me I hold it. Because if Mama, Javon and the wicked family think they can get your property them have to think again. You give me two things and you say, Andre, use it. As if me not about you, I could need it in a life. Mommy, me go give the lawyer what I have that you told me. That use it. Use the messages and prove it. Javon went today and took up the dogs out of the house. I don't know who granted him that permission to take out your dogs out of the house. All last month, you have fight to get the daughter, get the transfer for go to the new school. How much money you spend upon him up to recently for mourning mother death? How much money you from me and spend upon him for your mother funeral? How much money, Mama, you spend? When me tell you say, love him and him put him family to a demise. You look Andre, he loved his mother and him loved the mother, and Andre had to make his mother get a decent burial. Well, him did have the hardware, and him still have the hardware with all of the money they take. Him could have used the money from the hardware to bury his mother. No, him come tell you, Heather, oh God, mommy, and you buy into the trap again. And him bury the mother and see that the mama and them will bury the family line and bury you and him. And when you look there, look how much things him do. Look how much thing. I will say to you, say just come. Just come. Him can't win your panic. Just come. And you couldn't talk to none of them in a digital. You couldn't talk because you're afraid. Because there was so many fake down there.